It is about how to multiply, divide, then
Yes. Hmm.
add and subtract rational numbers. I mean fractions.
Yes. Okay. So today we are going to start with the rational number chapter. So have a look and let's just continue. Okay. So first of all, when this chapter comes to you, first thing that comes to your mind is what is rational number, ma'am? Right? So rational numbers are basically like this 2 upon 3. So they are always in the form of P upon Q. Right? But there is one condition that this Q cannot be 0. Fine. Like it can be 3 upon 2, 0 upon 2, but this Q cannot be 0. So in case somebody asks you, now what is a rational number? So you will say rational numbers are the numbers that are written in P upon Q form. And at that time, Q is not equals to 0. Fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now at that time, this is the rational number, right? And after that, remember one thing, this P is known as numerator, right? And this Q is known as denominator. Okay, because Q is down, that's why it is known as denominator, and Q is upside, that's why it is known as numerator. Fine?
Ma'am.
Yes? Hmm. Rashmi, you are also getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, first question you will write what are rational numbers. You will write this. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integer, but Q is not equals to 0. Okay, and there you will write P, Q, and here you will write numerator, and here you will write denominator. Fine?
Ma'am.
Clear?
Okay.
Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. How are you? Hmm. Okay, guys, we've just started with a new chapter, which is rational number, right? So, first thing we are doing is what are rational numbers, right? So, rational
Yes, ma'am.
number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q, right? If you can express it like this, numerator and denominator, that is known as rational number. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly note this down. And then after that, we will start with the questions. Not questions, few more topics. Girls, you are done writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's just wait for Kais to do and then we will move forward.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Now let's just move to the next one. So numerator and denominator, you people got it, right? Numerator is the above one. After that, you will write this. Numerator is the above one and denominator is the next one. And remember one thing, Q should never be equals to 0. Quickly note this down and then we will move to the next one. Okay?
Is that Q is never equals to 0?
Yes. Like for example, if you are writing rational numbers, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 2, any number you can take, but you cannot write it like this. This is invalid. Okay. You can write it like this, right? P can be 0, but Q can never be equals to 0. Fine?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which one should I write?
Sorry?
Which one should I write, ma'am?
Yeah, that's it only. Right? Done? Yes, no? Guys, done?
Ma'am, can you go up 1 minute? Ma'am? I have to write one word.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Now we are going to do the next topic, which is equivalent rational numbers. Fine. So over here in the equivalent rational numbers, What we do, just put a heading, everyone. Equivalent rational numbers. Then I will discuss what are they. Okay. Equivalent rational number.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
marker has blocked what we are supposed to write.
No, you have only just write this. Just put the heading equivalent rational numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to write the sum like -2
No, only this,
divided by.
only the heading, only the heading. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's just discuss what are equivalent rational numbers. Okay. A rational number can be written in different numerator and denominator, right? For example, this -2/3 and everything, right? So whenever you have to make that number equivalent, right? At that time, for example, 2/3, right? I ask you to make this equivalent, right? What you will do? You will multiply this number with the same numerator and denominator. Okay. The answer would be 4/6. So this is your equivalent rational number. Fine. For
Ma'am,
example,
can you explain again?
see, any rational number. This is one rational number, right? This is normal rational number. Okay, I ask you to make it equivalent rational number. Okay, what you will do? You can take any number, right? Any number, but the number should be same. Multiply that number in the numerator as well in the denominator. Okay, for example, I took 3. Right? So I will multiply 3 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. So the answer would be 5, 3, 15 and 6, 3, 18. Right? So this is your equivalent rational number. Fine? Everybody?
Ma'am, you multiply
ma'am.
them with any number.
Yeah, any number, but you can take any number, but you should multiply the denominator as well as the numerator with the same number. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So it will become an equivalent number. Fine? Yes, but remember one thing, you cannot multiply it with 0. Okay.
Yes,
so now
ma'am.
put the heading. So you over here, what you will do this, right? By multiplying the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same non-zero integer, we obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. Clear? We will quickly note this down and then we will discuss the next one.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Everybody got it? How to find the equivalent rational numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, quickly note this.
Done, ma'am.
I am also done.
Everybody is done? Anyone is still writing? No? Okay. Now let's just move to the next one. The next term is positive and the negative rational numbers. Okay. So positive are, for example, 3 upon 8, 5 upon 7. All these are positive rational numbers. Right? And coming to negative, minus 3 upon 8, negative 5 upon 7. All these are negative. Okay. So you will put the heading positive and negative. Right? You will write example of positive are this. Example of negative are this. Fine? Fine, students.
Ma'am, can you repeat, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to put the heading positive and negative rational numbers. And these are the example of positive rational numbers. Okay. And these are the example of negative rational numbers. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just move to the next one. Okay. The next is rational numbers on number line. Okay. So over here, for example, minus 4 and 3. Tell me, are they a rational number or not? Everyone. Minus 4 and 3.
Yes, ma'am.
They are rational number or not? Okay. Kai
Ye-
said they are rational number. What about Tashin and Naisha? What do you think? They are rational numbers or not? Girls, tell me. Naisha, tell me. Is 4 and 3, minus 4 and 3 are rational number or not? Naisha, tell me.
I'm not sure.
Just tell me, give me yes or no. It can be wrong, it can be right, no problem.
Ma'am, maybe no.
No? Okay. What about Tashin? -4 and 3 are rational number or not, Tashin? Tashin, am I audible?
Ma'am, they are not rational number.
Okay, they are not rational number. Okay. See, these are rational numbers. Now you will be like, ma'am, rational numbers are in the form of P upon Q, but they have only P. Where is Q? Can I write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
0
Yes,
is not a
ma'am.
rational number.
Yes, 0 is not a rational. You cannot write 0, but you can write any other number, right? So, for example, 3 or 3 upon 1, both are the same thing, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I will give you a number, for example, 5, and if I ask you 5 is a rational number or not, you will say yes, ma'am. Why? Because you can write 5
Because
as
there is
like this
upon
as
1.
yes. So, any number if I'll give, any natural number or any whole number if I give you, all the numbers are rational number because you can put in the denominator 1. Okay, fine. So now, for example, you have to do the number line. Okay, rational numbers on the number line. So 0 would be here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it would be -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Clear? Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Clear.
Okay, so now you will quickly note it up. Just put the heading. Rational numbers on number line. Okay, put this heading, rational numbers on number line, and draw this number line. It is written as well and down also.
Ma'am, do we have to note both the number lines?
Only the heading and draw the number line. That's it.
Ma'am, only one number line, right?
Yes, you can draw this one, which I have made.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I leave 10 minutes early, ma'am, because I have an appointment,
Okay, okay. Just inform me. Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to next one, rational numbers in the standard form. Okay. So over here in the standard form means that, for example, 12 by 6. Okay. If I will ask you to do in the standard form, okay, that means you have to further divide it and you have to divide it till it is not further divisible. For example, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So 2 upon 1 is the standard form of this fraction number. For example, I gave you 25 by 10. Okay. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So 5 upon 2 is the standard form because I cannot further divide them. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to next one. I'm going to give you one question. Minus 45 by 30. Okay. This is your question. Find me the standard value of this question, this rational number. Okay, quickly.
Ma'am, do we also make the denominator minus?
No need to make the denominator. Only you have to further divide it.
Found
That's
the
it.
answer.
Whatever the numerator would be, it will be in your negative term, and whatever the denominator will be, it will be in positive one.
I found the answer.
Let's just wait for others.
Done.
Guys, you are also done?
Ma'am, almost, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so everyone tell me the answer. What you got?
Ma'am, 9 by 9 by.
I got minus 3 by 2.
8 by 10. No, wait,
Mhm.
sorry, 9 by 10. 9 by 10.
Ma'am, we got minus 3 by 2.
Yes. See, first we will divide it by 5 table. Yes. 5 9s are 45. 5.
Uh,
Tens.
5
So you
6
got 9 upon 6.
Oh, yes, a 5.
Can you further divide it? Yes.
Yes,
3
ma'am. In 3's
3
table.
3s are and
9,
3
3
2s
2's are 6.
So standard form is negative 3 by 2. Getting it, everybody? So
Yes,
Yes,
first what
ma'am.
we did, 45 and 30 we divided with 5. Yes?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when you divide this, you got 9, and when you divide this, you got 3. Now this you divided with 3, and this also you divided with 3. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, 6. So over here, 3 and over here, 2. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your final
ma'am.
answer. Okay? Okay. Now coming to, can you see this question? Example number 2. Yes, reduced to standard form. Everybody, can you see it? Example
ma'am.
number 2, everyone. Quickly do these, both the part and tell me the answer.
तो क्या करना बोल देना मैं जाता हूँ
क्या बोली नहीं मैं कह रही है टाइम क्या होता
वो सोच तो अभी टेंशन में हो रहा हूँ
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Okay, guys. Just pause the recording for the rest, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Done, ma'am.
Tashin, you are also done?
Yes, ma'am. I'm long back.
Okay. So tell me the first one. What do you people got for the first one?
9
Hmm. Tell me.
is 2 by 3.
It's
Minus 2
Ma'am,
by
3
minus
3
2
by
by...
2.
Yes, it's minus 3 by 2. What do you got?
minus
Naisha?
2 by 3.
Minus 3
Ma'am,
by...
I got minus 3 by 2.
Yes, you will get minus 3 by 2, na? Clear? Naisha? Okay, second one, what do you got?
Ma'am, minus 1 by 5.
Okay.
I also got minus 1 by 5.
Second one, minus 1 by 5. But how you got minus 1? Tell me.
Ma'am, we got minus 1 by dividing it in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15.
No. Over here, you got minus 1 upon minus 5. So negative and negative will be cancelled. Your answer would be 1 upon 5. Clear?
Ooh.
Fine? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
In this case, Naisha was confused. So let's just do it. Okay, you can do with, I think, which table? 6 table? Even 12 table you can do, na? 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are 36. Yes?
It's 36 to 12 24.
Yes. So 12 twos are 24 and 12 threes are 36. So over here in the numerator it will be minus 3. In the denominator it will be 2. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we're supposed to note this down.
Yes, you can note it down. Okay, in a
Okay,
notebook.
ma'am.
I hope you people have noted it down, right? You have done that, but that means you have written it somewhere, right? No? If no, then you can do it from here.
What was the answer?
See?
What was the answer for 36 minus 24?
Answer is minus 3 upon 2.
Yes, ma'am, I got it now.
Okay.
Ma'am, what did you say to note down?
I said those who didn't got the right answer, they can note it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Now, if you are done, you will do this one. This. Next one. Okay. Minus 18 and 45 and minus 12 and 18. Okay.
Ma'am, how much time is left for the class to end?
4 more minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, go somewhere. Can I see the answer?
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. For minus 18 by 45, I got the answer as minus 2 by 5.
Okay. And for this?
And for this, I got the answer as minus 2 by 3.
Okay. How you got 2 by 3 here?
Ma'am, I divided it in
With?
two tables.
Correct, correct. Good. Okay, you have to leave. You have to go somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Then you can leave. Okay, I'll just continue with Tashin. We have only 2-3 minutes left. Okay.
Ma'am, is there anything else you are teaching?
No, I will not teach the new topic.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.